Made in the same factory as Kalashnikov rifles.
There you go. You've heard it from the horse's mouth. Good morning, Internet. Here I am at the bike paradise. That is Burlown, Roger's Bike Shed, deepest, darkest Brittany. Beautiful place. This is my go-to heaven when life gets too much, like it often does. This is where I come. Bit of relaxing time. It's beautiful. You can't do a right lot when it chucks it down. It's like Hebden Bridge, except quieter. And there's no scrolls. As you know, I'm still not, sadly to say, I'm not 100% on the 500 NX. There's the boys. Come on. Come on then. Come on then. It's the boy. Here he is. Hey. Here's the boy. Come on, Rock. Come on, Nasher. Nasher's a bit crippled. He's had a stroke, I think. He shakes a lot. Come on. He's a good boy. He's a good little boy. Here's our Jeremy. He's fettling the IZH to within an inch of its life. So the plan is, this here IZH will be making its way back to Yorkshire. As you can see, I'm a bit dubious that that's going to happen. Here we go. Here's a walk round of the IZH, which reminds me of Isle toilet paper. Mainly because it's an old shitter.
Yeah. There sat there with all the refinery on them. And doing a regal wave. Yeah.
I'm not sure about that. Piece of history in the making.
Made in the same factory as Kalashnikov rifles.
There you go. You've heard it from the horse's mouth. The IZH in its prime. Aujourd'hui, that's about as much as my French goes. We have the inaugural starting of the IZH. It has been out of action since September.
Whoa.
Due to an argument with a wall, the IZH has been temporarily out of action. So, after a fair bit of fettling, the IZH is now ready to be started. So, I can tell how excited you are to see this wonderful piece of Russian iron made in the factory that makes the Kalashnikov rifles, no less. Are you ready for this? Because it's exciting. The IZH on its inaugural voyage. Going down to that wall that he hit last time. Hopefully he won't hit it again.
No.
No. think it's broke down.
Stop.
Fucking hell, fire. I don't think I can crouch much longer. Come on, IZH, come on. It's coming. I think personally it broke down. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming! Hey!
Absolutely fucking brilliant.
Thanks a lot.
Absolutely fantastic.
I thought it broke down.
Fucking hell, it was fucking fantastic.
Did you break down?
No?
Are you sure?
Did it break down? No, we're talking to two ladies on the junction.
Oh, yeah, no, that's how we camping.
Yeah, there were two ladies in the house having tea outside.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cracker. Yeah.
It's a cracker.
Oh, Roger.
Happy days.
What did you say about the septic tank the other day? You blocked it up? No.
A bit of Russian iron. You've heard it here first. Freewheeling Blonde. If you like this channel, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more Russian iron adventures in deepest, darkest Berlin.